So anyways, my name is Pamela, and today our project is about the effectivity of Porang tubers Amorphophilus malarium in addressing type 2 diabetes mellitus. So here, as shown here, this is the total cases of diabetes mellitus in Southeast Asia based on the International Diabetes Federation, that Indonesia has ranked the highest. So what it is, diabetes mellitus? According to the World Health Organization, diabetes mellitus is a chronic metabolic disease that is characterized from elevated levels of blood sugars and has a risk on damaging humans' bodies.
There are some factors that contribute to the development of type 2 diabetes mellitus, including age, genetic, and hormonal factors. Type 2 diabetes mellitus is a result of, but the main factor, the biggest cause that contribute to the development of type 2 diabetes mellitus is lifestyle factors. Type 2 diabetes mellitus is a result of a person's lifestyle, especially in terms of their diet. Why is diet an important factor? Well, diet plays a crucial role in the development of type 2 diabetes mellitus, serving both as a catalyst and a solution for this health problem. Many foods that we consume every day contains carbohydrate which can elevate the levels of blood sugar in our body. The dangerous thing if it gets too high, as it can lead to many serious health problems, including diabetes. This emphasizes for the need for a practical solution. So, how do we manage this problem?
This brings us to our main focus, which is Amorphophilus malarium, a species from the genus Amorphophilus, which is proven to have the highest level of glucomannan.
Glucomannan is an important key component in addressing high blood sugar levels. Glucomannan is a dietary fiber that can slow down the absorption of carbohydrate in our body, which help in managing blood sugar levels that gets into our bloodstream. Now, because Porang tubers has been proven to contain high content of glucomannan levels, this makes Porang tubers has the great potential to be a solution in managing type 2 diabetes mellitus. This brings us to our research question. How to optimize the glucomannan extract in Porang tubers so that the use of Porang in managing type 2 diabetes mellitus is more optimal? And question number 2, can Porang tubers be used as an alternative comfort food for people with type 2 diabetes mellitus? Now we're going on to our research methodology.
This research is conducted using literature review method, and based on the references that we read, we found that there are 3 things that influence glucomannan levels. First is the influence of the solvent, next is the influence of the solvent volume, and the last is the influence of the extraction temperature. So because of this, we optimize the extraction of glucomannan with 60% ethanol solvent with various volume ratios at a temperature of 55 degrees Celsius. And as shown here, here are some steps that we have going through, and now we're going to be moving to the results and discussion.
So from the result of our experiment, here we have 3 images. We're going to address the first image, image 2.1, which is a bar chart of comparison of yield values of Porang soil. As you can see, that this one right here, the one with this one, the sample right here, the one with the ratio 1 to 200, has the highest percentage of yield value. Let's make this ratio right here 1 to 200 being the most optimal way to extract glucomannan from Porang tuber floor. Now, on to the next question. Whether Porang tubers can be used as an alternative functional food? Well, based on all literature studies, we found that Porang tubers can, other than containing high glucomannan, Porang tubers also contain calcium oxide crystals, which are toxic. This crystal can can cause itching and kidney problem if consumed in long terms. Now, this is why Porang tubers need to be processed first to get rid of this oxalate toxic, so that it is safe to consume. Research to remove oxalic acid from Porang tubers has been found and has proven that Porang tubers are safe to consume and produce process for consumption. And based on our experiment, from the aspect of the glucomannan floor, as you can see here on image 2.2 table of our aggregate results of Porang tuber floor, Porang tuber floor has passed the organoleptic results in terms of color, smell, taste, and texture. This proves that Porang tuber floor is safe for consumption.
And we can conclude that extracting glucomannan from Porang tubers at 55 degrees Celsius with a ratio of Porang 4 to alcohol 60% equal to 1 to 200 is the most optimal in obtaining high levels of glucomannan.
All research here has proved that Porang tubers is effective in managing type 2 diabetes, and if only we spread more awareness and promotes more this healthier alternate food, it could lead to the decrease of the increasing rate of diabetes cases in Indonesia. And not only that, Indonesia being one of the leading countries in prawn tourist production can benefit greatly from this plan by promoting and spreading awareness about it being a healthier alternative food. Prawn tubers could be greatly beneficial both for the public health and to the nation's economy.
Closing.
That's all from us. We hope that this project could have been beneficial and also have positive effects. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Great. Very good.